10 Best Supercharger for 5.7 Hemi RAM 1500-2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. 2009 to 2018 RAM 1500 5.7L Hemi Camshaft and Lifter Kit. Is your 2009 to 2018 RAM 1500's 5.7L Hemi losing its edge? Or worse, ticking? Revitalize your engine with our premium camshaft and lifter kit. Specifically engineered as a direct replacement, this comprehensive kit addresses common MDS lifter and camshaft wear, ensuring your Hemi runs smoother, quieter, and with restored power. Built to OEM specifications for precise fitment and lasting reliability, it eliminates that dreaded Hemi tick and maintains optimal performance. You're investing in the proven quality needed to bring back your Ram's robust heart. Broadly compatible across 2009 to 2019 5.7L Hemi models, including Durango and Aspen, this is the reliable solution you need for peak performance. Number 9. Amazon's best overall choice. Revitalize your engine's performance with Amazon's best overall choice, our premium exhaust manifold gasket set. Engineered from high-quality, durable materials, this kit guarantees an extended service life, translating to fewer worries and more reliable miles ahead. You'll appreciate the seamless plug-and-play design, making installation surprisingly easy, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or tackling a DIY project. Meticulously tested and certified to surpass OEM quality standards, you're not just replacing a part, you're getting an upgrade. Designed for a wide range of popular Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep models, this set offers a precise, perfect fit. Restore your vehicle's optimal power and efficiency with a leak-free operation you can truly trust. Number 8. 5.7L Hemi Performance Exhaust Manifold. Ready to truly unleash the power hidden within your 5.7L Hemi? Our performance exhaust manifold is engineered precisely for that. We've crafted this essential upgrade from robust, high-silicon ductile iron, ensuring exceptional durability and superior heat resistance, meaning it's built to last and perform under pressure. Installation? We've got you covered. This comprehensive kit includes longer fasteners with precision spacers, guaranteeing a perfect, hassle-free fit. Plus, you'll find all the necessary gaskets and fasteners right in the box, making your upgrade seamless. Please note, this manifold is specifically designed for earlier 5.7L Hemi applications and does not fit 2019 plus DT body styles. Upgrade today and experience the difference. Number 7. Ram 1500 Hemi High Performance MDS Cam and Lifters. Is your 2009 to 2015 Ram 1500, Aspen, or Durango 5.7L Hemi showing its age with that dreaded tick, misfires, or noticeable power loss? Our Ram 1500 Hemi High Performance MDS Cam and Lifters Kit is the definitive answer. This direct replacement kit features a precision machined camshaft and hardened lifters, meticulously engineered to prevent wear and eliminate the common Hemi tick for good. Say goodbye to failed MDS lifters and camshaft lobe wear, restoring your engine's quiet operation and robust power. Built to match OEM specifications for a hassle-free installation and rigorously tested for reliability, this long-lasting fix extends your engine's life and unleashes its true potential. Get back to enjoying your Hemi with confidence. Number 6. Non-MDS Hemi 5.7L Lifter and Head Gasket Kit. Is your 2005 to 2008 Hemi 5.7L ready for a critical refresh or an MDS delete? Our non-MDS lifter and head gasket kit is your ultimate all-in-one solution. Designed specifically for your Chrysler, Dodge, or Jeep, this comprehensive package ensures a complete and reliable overhaul. Say goodbye to problematic MDS lifters and embrace simplified, robust engine performance. This kit includes everything needed for a seamless rebuild: a new camshaft, a complete head gasket set, 16 premium Non-MDS hydraulic roller lifters, and essential solenoid block-off expansion plugs. We also provide 30 new head bolts for a secure, worry-free installation. Restore your Hemi's power and reliability with precision-engineered components, all backed by a 1-year warranty. Upgrade your driving experience today. Number 5. 5.7L Hemi MDS Rebuild Kit, 2009 to 2015. Is your 5.7L Hemi losing its edge? Our comprehensive 5.7L Hemi MDS Rebuild Kit, 2009 to 2015, is meticulously engineered to restore that legendary power. This complete, factory spec solution is perfect for your Charger, Challenger, Durango, Grand Cherokee, Ram 1500, Commander, or Chrysler 300. Inside, you'll find everything crucial for a robust rebuild. New camshafts, lifters, pistons, water and oil pumps, engine valves, and a full timing chain/VVT gear kit, all sealed with premium gaskets. Designed specifically for the MDS system, this kit ensures optimal performance and efficiency, addressing common wear points and restoring factory reliability. Rediscover the smooth, potent performance your Hemi was built for. Invest in genuine power and peace of mind. Number 4, 5.7 Hemi Camshaft, MDS Lifters, Timing and Gaskets Kit. Is your 5.7 Hemi experiencing lifter tick or showing signs of wear? Our 5.7 Hemi Camshaft, MDS Lifters, Timing and Gaskets Kit is the comprehensive solution you need. This expert-curated package includes every critical component: a precision-engineered camshaft, all 16 MDS lifters with trays, a complete head gasket kit with bolts, an oil pan gasket set, and a full timing chain kit. Designed specifically for your 2009 plus Chrysler Aspen, Dodge Durango, or Ram 1500, this kit offers unmatched convenience. Say goodbye to the hassle of sourcing individual parts. We've included everything needed to restore your Hemi's power, smoothness, and efficiency. Drive with confidence, knowing you've addressed common Hemi issues with a complete, high-quality, and perfectly matched rebuild solution. Number 3, Ram 1500 5.7L Hemi Lifter Cam Kit plus Gaskets, 2009-15. Is your Ram 1500's 5.7L Hemi showing signs of wear, like ticking lifters or sluggish performance? Our complete lifter cam kit is expertly engineered to bring back that legendary Hemi power for your 2009-2015 truck. This comprehensive package includes a new camshaft, a full set of 8 MDS and 8 non-MDS valve lifters with their essential plastic trays, plus a complete cylinder head gasket set. You get everything needed for a seamless, professional-grade repair. Say goodbye to frustrating engine noises and hello to smooth, reliable operation. Restore your Hemi's optimal performance and ensure its longevity with quality components. Invest in reliability for your Ram, backed by a 1-year warranty for complete peace of mind. Get your truck running strong again. Number 2, Hemi 5.7L V8 Engine Overhaul Kit, 2009-2015. Is your 2009-2015 Hemi 5.7L V8 losing its edge? It's time to unleash that power again. Our comprehensive overhaul kit provides everything you need to revitalize your engine. From updated MDS lifters and a new camshaft to a complete timing chain kit, oil pump, and full gasket sets, we've meticulously included critical components designed to meet or exceed OE standards. Restore lost horsepower, achieve smoother operation, and reclaim the efficiency your Ram, Dodge, or Chrysler Hemi was built for. This kit ensures a precise fit for a wide range of compatible models from 2009 to 2015. Get your powerhouse purring like new, backed by our 1-year warranty and dedicated professional support. Experience the Hemi difference, reborn. Number 1, Non-MDS 5.7L Hemi Lifter and Cam Kit, 2009 to 2015. Tired of the notorious MDS headaches in your 2009 to 2015 5.7L Hemi? Upgrade to unwavering reliability and consistent power with our comprehensive non-MDS lifter and cam kit. Expertly designed for your Chrysler Aspen, Dodge Durango, or Ram 1500, this kit provides a complete solution to eliminate problematic MDS components. You'll receive a new Non-MDS camshaft, retaining crucial VVT functionality, 16 high-quality Non-MDS lifters, expansion plugs, and retainers. Plus, we include a complete cylinder head gasket set with premium MLS gaskets, a timing cover gasket, and a full set of head bolts. Everything you need for a thorough, worry-free conversion. Restore your Hemi's legendary performance and drive with ultimate confidence. It's the smart upgrade your truck deserves. So, that sums up my 10 best Supercharger for 5.7 Hemi Ram 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great